Dear kids, in unit number 2, you will learn the use of let, make, must, could, and would with bare infinitives. Bare infinitives are those verbs which we use without to. So let's read the text. Nasir, please may I watch television? Miss Nas, yes you may. Miss Naz let Nasir watch television. Jamil, please Miss Naz, may I sharpen my pencil? Miss Naz, yes you may. Miss Naz let Jamil sharpen his pencil. Zabe, please Miss Naz, may I read my book? Miss Naz, yes you may. Miss Naz let Zabe read her book. Mrs. Riaz, you must clean your shoes. Jamil, yes, mother. Mrs. Riaz made Jamil clean his shoes. Miss Naz, you must comb your hair. Nasir, yes, Miss Naz. Miss Naz made Nasir comb his hair. Mrs. Riaz, you must clean your teeth, Uzma. Uzma, yes, mother. Mrs. Riaz made Uzma clean her teeth. Mr. Amin, it is raining, children. You must not go outside. You must stay inside. The children could not go outside. Mr. Amin would not let them go outside. He made them stay inside. On this page, you learned the use of let, made, must, and must not with bare infinitives. And the bare infinitives are watch, sharpen, read, clean, comb, go, and stay. So on the from the next page, we will do exercises about it. On page 13, there is exercise 2, make sentences like the one in blue. In this exercise, you will rewrite the sentences using made. For example, the teacher said to the children, you must close your books. The answer is the teacher made them close their books. Here you will use made, and instead of children you will use a pronoun them, and you will omit you must and make a sentence the teacher made them close their books. The teacher said to Jamil, you must clean the blackboard. The teacher made him clean the blackboard. Then there is exercise 3, make sentences like the one in red. In this exercise, you will rewrite the sentences using let. For example, the teacher said to the children, you may go out to play. The teacher let them go out to play. Here, you will use let, and instead of children, you will use a pronoun them, and you may will be omitted, and the sentence will be the teacher let them go out to play. B sentence is the policeman said to the children, you may cross the road. The policeman let them cross the road. Students, you will do all the 6 sentences in your copies. Next exercise, exercise 4 is make sentences beginning we must or we must not. We use with the sentences which are compulsory to do, जो करना लाजिम होते हैं. So we use we must with those sentences which are compulsion. And exercise sentence A is clean our teeth. So you will write it we must clean our teeth. And the sentences which should not and the things that we should not do, we use we must not before them, like break a window. We must not break a window. You will also do this exercise in your copies, all the 6 sentences. On page 14, there is exercise 7, write sentences like the ones in red. Miss Nas, you may go home. Uzma. Miss Nas, let Uzma go home. The sentences which has may in it, They will be changed using let. So you will change it like Miss Naz, let Usma go home. And the second sentence is Mrs. Riaz, you must clean your shoes, Jameel. So Mrs. Riaz made Jameel clean his shoes. So sentences having must will be changed using made. Mrs. Riaz made Jameel clean his shoes. This exercise is actually the revision of the exercises done on previous page, page 13. Next exercise is exercise 8. Finish some of these sentences. Sometimes you must add to, sometimes you must not add to. Here the sentences which will have bare infinitive, in those sentences you will not use to. For example, sentence A is will you let me play with the ball please. Here you will not use to. Second sentence is she tried to teach him to swim. Here you will use to. C sentence he made his dog lie down under the table. D he would not play football with us. E you must not swim today. I will not let you do it. F the children wanted to walk along the path but the dog would not let them go past. G the policeman made the car stop but then he let it go on again. H they wanted to write in pen but Miss Naz made them use pencil. I they wanted to go out but she made them stay indoors. Students, you can do this exercise in your books. Exercise 9 is finish these sentences. This is also the practice of using let, made, and would not. So, sentence A is Mrs. Riaz let Jameel. You can complete it by adding clean his shoes or clean the blackboard. B sentence is Uzma's mother would not let her go outside. You will do this exercise in your copies. There is a story on page 15. Let's read it. The Lion and the Mouse. One day a mouse went out to find something to eat. He ran carelessly through some tall grass. He ran into a fierce lion. The lion caught the mouse. He held him tightly and would not let him go. Please let me go, Mr. Lion, said the mouse. One day I will help you. The lion laughed. How could a little mouse help a big lion? He thought. Very well, he said. I will let you go, but you must walk more carefully. The mouse was very grateful. Thank you, he said. You are very kind. The next week, the mouse was again looking for something to eat. He saw the lion under a tree. He was tied tightly in a net of strong ropes. He could not move. I will help you, said the mouse. He bit through one of the ropes. His teeth were sharp. Then he bit through another rope and then another. Soon the lion was free. He was very pleased. Thank you, he said. Thank you very much. Students, after reading the story, you will put in the missing words in your books and then you will write meanings of the words and you will use these words in sentences. The words are fierce, grateful, tightly, bit, pleased. You will do all the written work in your copies and send me pictures of those work on email address cdaschool04@gmail.com. I'll check your work and send it back to you. Thank you.